Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Esther Eckhart, and today I'd like to show you a pose for when you have lower back pain, but specifically if you have lower back pain on one side. So it would be sacroiliac related. Well, if that's what you've got, this pose would be really good. So it's usually around this area, either on the right or on the left. And it doesn't even mean that if the pain is on the right, that the problem is on the right. It could also be on the other side, but the pain comes out on the opposite side, if you know what I mean. So the locust pose can help settle back the sacrum in the right position so the sacroiliac joint is again how it should be. But you want to be not doing this exercise just because of doing it, but you want to do it really slowly with a lot of awareness. And if it's good for the sacroiliac joint problem, then it should feel good. So if it doesn't feel good, don't. You know, and you have to try out maybe what side to do it on. So try each side out very gently, and your body will tell you which side it likes you do it on, and it needs to feel right. It doesn't necessarily need to feel good, but it needs to feel right, and that's really important. And if you're not sure, then don't do it, because you could also make it worse. So this is what I do anyway, if it happens to me, and it sometimes does. So you can bring the palms down next to your body, lift your shoulders, draw the belly in, and then on an in-breath, begin with your right leg, very gentle. Left knee is stable, the left leg is extended. And you keep your inner thigh moving up, your outer right hip down almost. And you just see if it feels good, extending through that right leg, pressing down through the top of your left foot, keeping your belly in. And take a few breaths here. And then coming back down. So if this felt right, then maybe you don't need to do the other side anymore. But if you want to, exhaling, draw the belly in, and very slowly, pressing the top of your right foot down, lift the right knee up. Lift your left leg up. And again, it needs to feel right. If it doesn't, stop. Then the other side was better. Take a few breaths. And then gently back down. And then you can rest your forehead on your hands for a moment. Breathe towards the hips, towards the lower back to expand on the in-breath. And the best way to do that is actually breathe into your belly. And then you can roll onto your side to come up, or draw the belly in, pressing into your hands and coming back on hands and knees, and perhaps coming into child pose if you want to, or just finishing up. So I hope that will help you whenever you experience pain. If you're a regular yogi, sacroiliac problems can be happening. So this is good to know. Okay, thank you for joining me.